If you have ever stepped inside an IKEA store, you probably felt overwhelmed instantly. There are so many things to see and buy. Here are 25 great buys from IKEA. The good news is, there are plenty of alternatives to be found in IKEA, so if one product doesn't work out, chances are you can still find another during your same shopping trip. 1. Gulliver Crib. Finding the perfect crib for your baby at a great price can be difficult. The Gulliver Crib is the best of both worlds. It's affordable and amazingly durable. 2. Billy Bookcase with glass doors, $179. This cabinet isn't new, but the deep red color option sure is. We love it in a kitchen as a makeshift pantry or in a dining room to hold dishes, glassware, and more. 3. Poang Chair. This unique chair should be at the top of your list of things to buy at IKEA. Not only does it have a great design, but it's also comfortable and affordable. It matches a variety of decor and color schemes. 4. Dig Cooktop. You won't find a better cooktop for the price. It's a great budget buy, and it stands up to the competition, which is often priced much higher. 5. Broer Cart, $99. We're not sure how this is only $99, but it is. The top is pine plywood, and the shelves are made of sturdy powder-coated steel. 6. Langer Junior High Chair, $109. Made of powder-coated steel, this high chair is as sturdy as it is stylish, and the seat cover comes off for cleaning, so the chair is practical too. 7. RREKOG Utility Cart, $25. IKEA's iconic utility cart now comes in this deep blue hue. The trendy color is actually totally indicative of IKEA's new super sophisticated attention to design for 2019. 8. Antelope High Chair. This high chair looks simple and a little wacky, but it's actually exceptionally durable and affordable. It's also easy to put together and take apart. 9. Kallax Shelving. Cube shelves are extremely popular right now. There are many different options on the market, but these ones are durable and affordable. 10. Dombus Wardrobe. These wardrobes are great if you need some additional storage. They are affordable and easy to put together. They look good in most rooms, and they offer plenty of storage space. 11. SUNDVIK Crib. This crib is stylish, easy to put together, and affordable. It's also durable, which is good since it even can convert into a toddler bed. That means you can use it for several years, and it's basically 2 beds in one. 12. Newtig Refrigerator. If you want an affordable French door refrigerator in stainless steel, this is one of the best deals available. At less than $2,000, it's a steal. 13. Office Organization. Keep your office organized and uncluttered by heading to IKEA. They offer so many affordable storage boxes, files for papers and magazines, and more. 14. SOLBO Table Lamp. If you need to add a little character and decor to your room or home, these lamps can help with that. They come in a couple adorable designs. 15. Marcus Office Chair. This chair is one of the best on the market, according to experts. It's also a lot more affordable than similar chairs. It is incredibly sturdy and even comes with a 10-year warranty.